This is the HP DeskJet 2922 all-in-one printer series. It has got print, copy and scan functions. It has built-in Wi-Fi that supports 802.11a, b, g and 2.4 as well as 5 GHz dual band. It also has one high-speed USB 2.0 port located at the back of the printer. The mobile printing capability of this printer, it supports HP app, Apple AirPrint, Mopria Print Service, HP Print Service plugin for Android printing. Now the display. The display is an icon LCD display with the following buttons: the power button, the cancel button, the resume button, the wireless button, the information button, and the copy buttons for both color and black. Now for paper handling, it has got a 60 sheet input tray with an output tray of 24 sheets of paper. It also has got a flatbed scanner that is able to scan a maximum size of 216 by 297 millimeters. It is able to copy up to a maximum of 9 copies. Let's take a look at the print cartridges. It supports 2 print cartridges, one black and one tricolor print cartridge. Do note, the cartridge numbers varies in different regions and countries. Let's take a look at the print speed. So these are 3 pages that was printed on the HP DeskJet 2922 printer series. It also supports printing photos. However, it is not borderless photos. So check out the HP DeskJet 2900 printer series.